In this short video, I'm going to show you how to install Scout in use cover for Scout SPX 8200. Okay, so basically what you do, somebody asked me that question. If you already assemble it, that's okay, but if you have not assembled it, just slightly turn it that way. If it's this way, turn it this way and pull it up gently, right? Then your Scout in use cover, just take it out, put it on top of it. This is going to be a very short video. Then put this back. This hole goes inside this hole. If you cannot see, just raise it slightly, set it. Let that hole goes in there. Then turn it, okay, put it in. Turn it that way until when you are able to pull it, you can't just pull it up. Remember, to pull it up, you have to turn it this way. So you turn it this way to lock it. Then you put this up and you are good to go. So when you are using your Scout, if you put water on it, it will not go there, right? See how the water goes down? It doesn't go into your scale. So water will not be able to go into your scale and it's going to make it last. So that's how to replace and put in the Scout in use cover. It's going to help your scale last longer. It costs around, it depends on where you buy it from, but it's not that costly. So it's something you want to consider if you want your scale, this expensive scale, to last long. Okay, don't forget, you can use it for any of the Scout version. Okay, don't forget, you can use it for any of the Scout version. That's about it for this video. Okay, I'll see you in another video. I hope this has been of help to you. Remember, click that subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified of my next video. Thank you.